What's up, everybody? As you can see, out of breath. But here's Belly for today. I have an eye appointment and whew, Lord. Have an eye appointment. Gotta pick up Caden's glasses and pick up a couple other things. Well, a couple of school supplies for me because I start back in school in 2 weeks. So that's the plan. Let me go get some oxygen.
Hey guys.
What's up, y'all? So we are on the way to get hubby some lunch. He had to work through his lunch. He's having a really busy day, so he requested coffee and lunch. And like I said earlier, I have an eye appointment. I haven't had an eye appointment in, it's probably been about 2 years, 3 years. And I know my eyes have gotten worse. And I'm kind of nervous about this appointment because I'm sure you've noticed, but I appreciate nobody saying anything. I have a wandering eye, and I'm nervous because it's gotten worse. And I think he might recommend surgery because if you don't take care of it, well, first of all, if you have it as a child, you know, there are measures and things that you can do to prevent the eye from getting worse. And as a kid, I remember wearing an eye patch on my right eye sometimes. I've always worn glasses except for when I joined the Air Force, and they said I didn't need them, which was a lie. But I was happy because those glasses were disgustingly ugly. But yeah, so my eye has gotten progressively worse, and I was researching it. Don't ask me why I do this to myself. And they say that, you know, as the years go, your brain just shuts that eye off and stops using it altogether. So you basically go blind in that eye if you're not using it. And so that's a bit, you know, scary. Very scary. And the only surgery I've had is my wisdom teeth being removed. That's the only, like, real under anesthesia surgery I've ever had. And you talking about eyeball surgery, like going in, strengthening the muscles. I don't even know how that works. It sounds invasive and scary. But I don't want to go blind in my eye either. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. And my eye has always been like me having a wandering eye. It's always been like one of my biggest insecurities. And like I said, it has gotten worse over the years. So there's that. Always something, never nothing. But we'll see what the optometrist says. See if he refers me out or something. I don't know. What do y'all think about having eye surgery? That just sound like, doesn't that sound scary? Like somebody's pulling out your eyeball. Okay, I don't know what they're going. They have to. Like, they literally have to, like, pull your eyeball out and fix the muscles in the back and put it back. Like, it has to. That has to be the only way. Because it's not like you going through my skull. You don't have to do all that. You can just go right through the eyeball, right? Oh, God. Let me calm down. Let me calm down. Let me calm down. But in other news, my stinkapoo back here, we go to the park, right? Because I'm trying to walk. I told y'all. I'm, trying to exercise and stuff. So we go to the park. He's playing basketball with his daddy. One of his friends from his old basketball team are there. So he starts playing with his friend. The boy falls face first and scrapes up his face. He starts school Monday. So I'm trying to get that scar healed up before Monday. It's not like, they're not deep scratches and scrapes, which I'm happy about. I'm glad about, but I still don't want my stinkapoo hurt, my heart. But we put in aloe vera gel and triple antibiotic, and I got him some cocoa butter oil and stuff. So we should be good. I know it's gonna take some time, but we should be good. But yeah, let me get this coffee and this food, and we'll see y'all guys in a bit. So we are on the way home. Y'all, I got the news that I knew already that I was gonna get. But I do have to go back and get my eyes checked after I give birth, because they say that your eyes sometimes worsen or whatever during pregnancy. But basically after birth and everything, and I go get my eyes checked again, he's pretty much going to recommend me to a specialist to see about eye surgery. I'm not happy about this. I'm actually extremely terrified just thinking about it. But at the same time, if the specialist says that it's, you know, a detriment to my vision, then I gotta do what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? My eye, like right now, this eye, the lazy one, hurts so bad because this, you know, whenever I have to use it for a certain amount of time, I strain because I'm not used to using it so much, and it just starts hurting. It's painful. And I had to get a new prescription. This eye has gotten a lot worse. And what else? Yeah, I'm just in pain. Just in pain. Oh, that dude almost got hit by a car. You can't just be walking the streets all willy-nilly thinking people are just gonna stop for you. That's not the way it works. Some people aren't, you know, privy to pedestrian rules. But anyway, yeah, that's about it. We're on the way home. I got a couple of school supplies for myself. Picked up Caden's glasses. He looks so cute. And that's it for the day. I think I'm gonna make pancakes and fried chicken. So kind of like chicken and waffles, but chicken and pancakes. I don't like waffles. So I'm gonna do that for dinner. But if you made it to the end of this vlog, thank you so much. You are the real MVP, and we'll see you next time. Bye.